Welcome to the world of TriPollar, the brilliant beauty choice. Hi everyone, today we're going to see how we can use TriPollar Stop Eye to treat the delicate areas around the eyes and the lips. It's a device specifically designed for these areas, so let's see how it works. Before we do anything, be sure to read the user manual for warnings and indications for use. Before using TriPollar Stop Eye for the first time, charge the device until its battery is fully charged and the LED indicator is a steady blue. Clean and dry your face. Apply a layer of TriPollar preparation balm over the treatment area. Remove the device cover. Press the power button. The green indicator will turn on. The magic works when you place the top of the device, where the electrodes are, against your skin and slightly press it. Start moving the device in slow motions over the treatment area and you'll feel a pleasant, warming sensation. You need to remember two important things. First, keep the device constantly moving, and secondly, make sure that all 4 electrodes are in contact with the skin all the time. Perform the treatment only over the bone. Do not treat the eyeball. You can treat each eye for 4 minutes and then move to another area. You may see some redness and skin swelling during the treatment, but it will calm down after a short time. To get the best results, use TriPollar Stop Eye 2 to 3 times a week for 6 to 8 weeks. For long-term results, you can continue to use TriPollar Stop Eye device 2 to 4 times a month. But every skin's different, so you'll know what's best for you. Press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to turn the device off. Clean the remaining balm from your face. To clean the device, use a soft, damp cloth or paper towel and then cover it with its protective cover. And you should never submerge the device in water.